friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys Tecno phone guys erase data setting. Friends, you want to erase guys your all data, means guys you want to reset your phone. So guys, how can you reset, and guys how can you erase your all data in your Tecno phone? In this video guys I am going to show you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like my videos, and don't waste time guys. Open your phone setting to erase your all data. Then guys scroll it. After on phone setting guys, you can see guys your phone system setting. So guys you will have to click here. Then guys you can see guys your reset option, and guys you can see erase all data, factory reset. So once you want to erase your all data, so guys you can erase from here guys. You will have to click here, and guys you can see this notification. This will erase all data from your phone's internal storage, including your Google account, system and app data and setting, download apps, music, photo, other user data guys. All data guys you can erase from here guys. You will have to click, it will erase. So I will not erase my data. I am just telling you guys, you want to erase, you can erase from here. Tap here to erase it. So I hope friends you have understood how to erase all data in a Tecno phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video friends. We will meet on next video with new topic. Before going, please go and like the video, subscribe the channel. Bye bye friends.